Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use websites on Canva. First, open Canva and select the website option to begin a new project. You'll find a wide array of professionally designed templates to kickstart your site. Simply choose one that fits your vision, then use Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface to easily customize every element. It's incredibly straightforward to get started. Now, let's dive into design. You can effortlessly add various elements like text boxes, images, and even videos to your website pages. Experiment with different colors, fonts, and background styles to match your brand or personal aesthetic. Remember to always check the mobile view to ensure your design looks fantastic and functions perfectly on smaller screens, reaching a wider audience. To make your website more dynamic, incorporate interactive elements. Easily create clickable links to navigate between pages or to external sites. You can also embed useful features like contact forms or live social media feeds directly onto your pages. Consider adding subtle animations to text or images to capture visitor attention and make your site feel more engaging and professional. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Canva allows you to publish your website with a free Canva domain, or you can connect your own custom domain for a more branded look. Once published, simply share the unique link with your audience across all your platforms. They can then access your beautiful new site instantly. Also, be sure to check the description below for the link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.